What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing this 1966 Dodge Charger M2 machine. Now, I got this at Walmart, and it has some script in the back, but that's why I'm going to be using my pocket knife. I don't carry this with me when I go out in public, and it's not really that sharp. I just use it for opening things that I don't want to damage if there's script in the back. Let's get started. If the audio got a little echoey, then that's because I sat down. Okay. I'm being careful. Sorry if you can't see. Okay, good. There we go, there's that. Okay, I'm just gonna open it enough to where I can actually, get it open. Okay, there. There we go. Now, usually these have opening hoods, but just let me close the knife here real quick. There we go. Usually these have opening hoods, and I'm not sure if this one opens. No. Oh well. At least I have a cool car. While this is a nice charger, my actual dream charger is the 1970 with a 426 Hemi supercharged. Now I'm just gonna pause the recording real quick and I'll be right back, and I'll have a screwdriver so that way I could get it off of the base, because if you see in there, there we go. If you see in there, there's Phillips head screws holding the car to the base. That's why I can do this. So I'm just going to pause the recording real quick and I'll be right back with a screwdriver. Alright everyone, I'm back, and for the unscrewing I'm going to be using this Cobalt Universal screwdriver. Has a removable tip. That's what, if you know this, then you can go ahead and skip ahead, but if not, then universal means that you can remove the tip. Now, I am going to avoid scratches, I'm going to be putting a piece of paper towel here, which was conveniently right in arm's reach, and I'm going to be unscrewing it. Don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. Alrighty then. Oops. Now, I'm just gonna put this screw in here. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Not anymore, anyway. And I'm holding it from the wheel so that way I don't smudge the paint. Always hold it from the underneath if you don't want to smudge the paint. But there we go. 1966 Dodge Charger. Now some of you in the audience might say that it's some name that I honestly find ridiculous, but for obvious reasons, it's purple. It is a mixture of red and blue to make purple. Some of you might call it plum, or crazy plum, or purple plum, or something like that. But, and I'm not trying to be rude here, I just call it purple. So I'm going to end the video now, okay? And I hope you liked it, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I have a special project I'm working on for the next video.